staring out of the window. The sky looks totally black, but there are endless bright luminous stars and planets. कह रहे हैं narrator space traveler when they went to space, they are reaching there. Newton, that was the cat, was restless because she was not habitual to be in such environment, in such places, and she sat quietly for some days, and the sky and stars were clear in the horizon in the space. Prahlad appears to feel absolutely no interest in watching the scenery outside. Prahlad was also disinterested, or Prahlad was not taking also interest in the objects surroundings of the space. Then 28th January 28 जनवरी डायरी में मेंशन करते हैं, उसमें लिखते हैं मीन्स आफ्टर द 7 days of the 21st January I am teaching Vidhu Shekhar to speak. Today I asked Vidhu Shekhar, how are you feeling? He clapped his hands and said, go, go. That was the good. Means Vidhu Shekhar was a remote, that is the robot created by the space traveler scientist. And what happened that reaching in the space, when scientists asked with the Vidhu Shekhar that what type of feeling was his being in a space, then he replied that all was well and indicated in his language, go. Undoubtedly what he was trying to say was good, means go means good. Today the planet Mars is looking as big as a grapefruit. According to my calculations, we will get there in another month. I have put to one side all that we shall have to take with us: my camera, binoculars, weapons, first aid box. Each of these things will have to be carried. There is no doubt in my mind that there is life on Mars, though I have no idea whether that life is large or small, peaceful or violent. Surely whatever creatures there are, they would not look anything like man. कह रहे हैं ये कि after that they proceeded towards the Mars planet, and it was looking as big as the grapefruit. Grapefruit was a fruit, and that Mars planet was looking just like a grapefruit. And according to the calculation of the narrator, calculation means gadana, we will get there in another month. And he calculated his timetable. Then he found that according to him he was to reach there on the Mars in next month. Now I have put to one side all that we shall have to take with us. Whatever things were carried by the narrator with him in the space, all these things were put aside. Aside means beside, बगल में, एक साइड, एक तरफ. हिज कैमरा, बायोनोकुलर जो होता है वो बेटा इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है, उससे आप जैसे साइंटिस्ट लोग हैं छोटी छोटी चीजों को बड़े गौर से देखने के लिए यूज करते हैं. खगोल शास्त्री वगैरह जो स्पेस वगैरह में स्टार्स वगैरह क्या स्टडी करते हैं वो लोग यूज करते हैं. वेपन्स, फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स, ईच ऑफ दीज थिंग्स विल हैव टू बी कैरीड. ये सब चीजें वो साथ ले गए थे. देयर इज नो डाउट, नरेटर इज सेइंग दैट ही हैड नो डाउट इन हर माइंड दैट there is a life on Mars. Means he was sure that there will be, or there might be, or must be life on the, life means the human being race, living creatures on the Mars. Though I have no idea, though he had no idea whether that life was large or small. Means बड़ा है या छोटा है, peaceful or violent. क्या वो जीव जो वहाँ रहते हैं वो शांति प्रिय हैं या फिर violent उद्दंड किस्म के हैं. Surely that is the certainly whatever creatures there are, whatever be creatures, caste and types of creatures, they would not look again anything like man. चाहे वो जैसे भी होंगे वो एक मानव की तरह तो नहीं ही दिखते होंगे, वो अलग किस्म के कुछ दिखते होंगे. नेक्स्ट पैरा, there are 5 hours to landing. अब उन्हें लैंड करने में लगभग 5 hours थे. The blue patches on the planet that I had initially thought were water appear to be something different. Besides, there are slim red thread-like structures. I cannot imagine what they are. As space traveler was going near to the Mars, he could see some objects present on Mars, and all those objects were looking like blue color, and due to color he could guess that that might be water. मीन्स उसने अंदाजा लगा कि यह जो है जरूर ही पानी होगा जो कि इस तरह से ब्लू कलर का दिख रहा है. Water appear to be something different. Besides, there are slim red thread-like structures. I cannot imagine what they are. But it was the guess from the side of the narrator, space traveler, that might have been water, but surely he could not guess what that object was. We landed on Mars 2 hours ago. I am writing my diary sitting on a soft yellow rocky Mount Mistila. Heap of the stone or soil, whatever be there. So Tila, hill, that is called mound. So narrator is saying that he landed Mars on 2 hours ago. Means when he started to write diary, he was reaching there, or he had reached there just 2 hours ago, and that time he was writing in his diary sitting on a soft, that is the delicate yellow rocky mound. यानी एक चट्टान था जो टीलेदार थी, थोड़ी ऊंची उठी हुई थी, उस पे बैठकर ये कुछ अपनी डायरी में मेंशन करना शुरू किए. और जब मेंशन करना शुरू किए तब कह रहे हैं कि तब जब मैं मेंशन शुरू किया अपनी डायरी में लिखना, उससे 2 घंटे पहले जो थे ये लोग वहां पे मार्स पे पहुंचे थे. Everything here, the trees, the ground, stones and rocks, it is kind of soft and feels like rubber. And what did he find by landing there on Mars? He found that everything, either that be a rock, either that be tree, either that be stone or tree or every object of that Mars which was there on the Mars was very flexible, very soft, and more than this, overall just like a rubber, means flexible, stretchable. A little distance away, means at the little bit distance, थोड़ी सी दूरी पर, a red river is flowing by, means just beside of the space traveler where he was sitting. A red river filled with the red, abounded in the red water, filled with the red water, was flowing, passing. It took me a while to realize that it was a river, as its water looked like clear jelly, a bit like guava jelly. And then when narrator attended towards that, means towards the river, gave attention, then he found that the water of the river was just a jelly, toffee or jelly, means पारदर्शी आर पार दिखने वाला, और एक जेली की माफिक था, like just like a jelly, particularly guava jelly. Perhaps all rivers here are red. Probably now poet is guessing that each and every river was red color. It is these rivers that had appeared as red threads from space. What had struck me as water, it turned out were grass and trees and plants. Struck means hit in the mind, means seeing got surprised, means जब वह रिवर के अंदर जा करके नरेटर देखे समीप से तो इन्हें झटका लगा. क्यों? क्योंकि वे देखे कि जो रिवर में ये पानी समझ रहे थे वो पानी तो था ही नहीं. दैट वाज नॉट अ वाटर, बट दैट वाज व्हाट? दैट वाज द ग्रास, प्लांट, ट्रीज एटसेट्रा. All of it is blue, means each and every plant and object was of blue color instead of green, means nothing was green on that Mars. Each and everything was of blue color. What is green is the sky, and what could be seen by standing on the Mars as blue? That was only the sky could be seen as blue color. Everything is the opposite of what we see on Earth. Narrator is saying that whatever we see objects on the Earth, objects of the Mars were lot of different than the objects of the Earth. यानी जो पृथ्वी पे जो चीजें हम जिस कलर में जैसी देखते हैं, मार्स की वो सभी चीजें सब अलग अलग किस्म की थी, जस्ट पृथ्वी के अपोजिट थी. आई हैव नॉट येट सीन अ लिविंग क्रिएचर, मीन्स जिंदा जीव अभी तक नरेटर कुछ नहीं देखे। डिड आई मेक अ मिस्टेक इन माई एजम्पशन, ASSUMPTION, एजम्पशन मीन्स होता है हाइपोथेसिस, इमेजिनेशन, कल्पना इन हिंदी। सो नरेटर इज सेइंग दैट नाउ ही वाज थिंकिंग दैट whether his assumption, कल्पना, was false, wrong मीन्स कि वहां पे कोई जीव है, यह सोचना क्या उनका सोचना गलत था। There is no noise at all, means not even a little bit noise. There was prevailing nothing than the pin drop silence, यानी एकदम सन्नाहट चुप्पी के सिवा और कुछ भी वहां सुनाई या देखा नहीं जा सकता था। Except the slight gurgling of the river. Gurgling means roaring sound, जो नदी वगैरह नाले वगैरह बहते हैं तो उनकी जो आवाज आती है, that is called gurgling। तो कह रहे हैं कि सिर्फ नदी की आवाज सुनाई दे रही थी। The atmosphere is decidedly eerie, EEERI, eerie means unique, strange, अद्वितीय, अद्भुत, अनजान। So कह रहे हैं कि the whole atmosphere was certainly strange type, different from the earth. Why is everything so quiet? QUIET, quiet means peaceful, एकदम शांतिपूर्ण, एकदम शांत, peaceful silence। कह रहे कि वहां मार्स का एनवायरनमेंट ऐसा क्या था जो एकदम साइलेंट था, कुछ भी वहां डिफरेंट नहीं था, नॉइज वगैरह नहीं थी। दैट वाज एवरीथिंग वाज मोस्टली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द अर्थ। आई डज नॉट फील कोल्ड, इफ एनीथिंग इट इज क्वाइट वार्म। एवरीथिंग वाज शोइंग ओनली वार्मनेस, नथिंग वाज कोल्ड और चिल देयर आर इन नॉर्मल पोजीशन। But there is the occasional gust of wind. Occasional means sometimes, gust of wind means हवा का झोंका, blow of the wind. That is very cold indeed. Means the blow of the wind, gust of the wind was also very cold, very chill. It last means continues for only a few seconds. Gust of winds comes for few seconds and again removes wind, goes. But seems to freeze the very marrow in the bones. वेरी मैरो मीन्स एकदम एक एक रक्त का बूंद जो था, वो ठंडी हवा इतनी चिल थी कि ऐसा मालूम पड़ता था कि शरीर के ब्लड में एक एक बूंद को वो जमा देगी शरीर में। Perhaps there is something in the nature of snowy mountains in the distance, कहने कि perhaps probably संभवतः, there is something कुछ था in the nature प्रकृति में, of snowy mountains in the distance मीन्स कहीं न कहीं इनके बगल अगल बगल कुछ ही दूरी पर ये नहीं जान पाते थे अभी, कोई न कोई माउंटेन या पर्वत था जो बर्फीला था, स्नोवी था। स्नो वाज देयर डोमिनेटिंग देयर, सो दिस गस्ट ऑफ विंड वाज वेरी कोल्ड एंड दाउ ईच एंड एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट वाज वार्म बट द गस्ट ऑफ विंड वाज कोल्ड, सो दैट विंड वाज कमिंग फ्रॉम समवेयर एल्स, दैट वाज द कोल्ड, चिल। At first I was afraid to taste the water in the river. First of all, when space traveler wanted to taste the water, he was afraid of that what would be. Okay beta, for today stop here. Tomorrow I shall see again your class. I will send message.